This year I'm going to combine several things that we've been doing into one project. We have our chickens, Rhode Island Reds, and then we're going to have pond shavings inside the coop. And it gets kind of messy with the in it. So we take the pond shavings, when we switch it out, we'll put it into our composting bin, which I have a video for that. You can check out the link. And anyway, it sits out there in the yard, and we compost it with the chicken shavings, as well as some household scraps. This particular load seems to be mostly coffee grounds and some banana peels. But after it's been composted now for like 6 months or so, I've emptied it and starting over again. And I had several loads of this compost. So what I'm going to do is get all this loaded up into my cart and take it to the garden. And I'm going to make some raised beds. I had some so-called raised beds. They were only like 2x8s. But this year, the price of wood has really skyrocketed, but yet I needed real raised beds. So what I came up with was I just built a structure out of pallet wood, and then used tin to raise it up to the proper level. Then I put a top on it, and then took a bunch of old wood that was rotten and filled up the bottom of it, and that will eventually decay. And then I put the top, I just painted it yellow just to kind of brighten it up some. And then I started taking the composted pond shavings with all the household food scraps in there, and I put it on top of the wood. So it's kind of like the wood is like a filler, and then the pond shavings on top of that. Blueberries are coming in. And then here's our real dirt. It's very good, dark, rich dirt. I've got several piles of it. And I started filling in on top of that.